The first thing we're going to do is choose the size we're going to print off. The first thing that is important is the height of your child, and secondly, the measurement around the torso just underneath the armpit. So go around with your tape measure and then see where this measurement fits with the height that your child has. And you can get this pattern in regular, and you can also get it in slender. And then you have the regular finished measurements and the slender finished measurements. And the difference between, say, the measurement that your child has, say it's regular, it's 51 centimeters, and the finished measurement should be about 3 to 5 centimeters, no more. You can print off the pattern that you need by choosing Adobe Acrobat DC Reader, and if you don't have that, you can download it free from the internet. Again, the link is in your instructions, and you have to choose your operating system and then choose your language, and that's basically it. There will only be one version for it. You always have McAfee or some other company that wants to sell you something. If you don't want that, then unclick that one. When you print off your pattern with Adobe, you get it printed off in exactly the size that you're seeing here. And you can select custom scale, that's 100%. You could also select actual size, that's also the same. I tend to go for custom scale, 100%, never fit and never shrink the oversized pages. Then go on properties, and maybe you want to just select fast printing so that you don't waste so much ink. Then choose the right file size. It's either A4 or letter size, depending on where you live. And then you can print off your pattern. And this is what it looks like when it's 12 to 18 months. And then underneath it, you've got a test scale, which is either 5 centimeters or an inch. And you can measure that, see that that is the appropriate length. And if not, you haven't printed off correctly. My fronts always have a white flower and my back always has a pink flower. You also have a dashed line which indicates your overlap. That's where you put your pattern together. And the last page in your pattern set is always how to put the pattern together. And of course, that's different from size to size. Say if you have a bigger size, you would need more paper. Obviously, there'd be more parts. The front part has got the buttons indicated for you. It also got the welt pocket indicated, which is great. And then you also got this little dashed line, and that's the slender option. So you would cut everything dotted if you want slender, and the full line is the one which is regular. Then we've got the back on the fold and the pocket and the ties.